right? That is where exfoliating comes in, because it also helps reduce your pores. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. But I hear sometimes when you're trying to reduce the oil, it produces more, or something like that. Like if you're trying to reduce it, it produces more because naturally the skin is meant to produce oil for your skin. So the more you try to reduce it, the more it produces more, because it's like sends a signal like you're lacking oil, so tend to produce more. Is that correct?
Yeah, you can't. I say you cannot totally take off all the oil from your skin, because they actually protect your skin. Especially those when you wake up in the morning, you discover that maybe one part of your face is oily. I don't know if anybody has experienced that. Yeah, you wake up. So those oily, they help protect the sebum of your skin.
Okay.
But for somebody who has an oily skin, you know that your skin is acne prone. There are things that you need to look out for.
Okay, so recently I learned that when you're rubbing any lotion or cream on your body, there's a pattern. You just don't take the cream and rub around the body. There's a pattern. Maybe from the legs, you need to rub downwards. Maybe from the face, you need to like spread your ends around your face to rub to ensure that
Massage your face.
Massage your face to ensure that the wrinkles go in one direction or something like that. Do you have any tips on all of those?
When you apply your cream or your product, basically you need to take your time to apply it. You don't just, and go your way, right? Okay. Because these things, they penetrate into your skin. So you take your time, you apply your products. I take my time to apply my products. That is where it works. So when you do that, you definitely get results.
Okay, you can't categorically say that there's a pattern, like horizontally, vertically.
There is nothing, I don't know, but you could start from anywhere.
Okay. Okay. My question, because I'm concerned, you hear some person say things like bleaching, there's toning, there's the skin. So what's the demarcation? I know, because people want to understand that. Say, I'm going for skin toning, and I'm maintaining my skin, and you see some bleaching. So what's?
Especially now that if you just go to
supermarket, everywhere,
everything brightening.
You are seeing it's lightening. You don't also see you are seeing whitening lotions. I've seen whitening lotions. I've seen
brightening shampoo.
Yes.
Brightening wash. Brightening hand wash. Brightening. What are you brightening?
So please.
What difference between that and bleaching?
Okay, bleaching actually means, let's not sugarcoat it. Bleaching means you are trying to get whiter than your normal skin color, the one that you were born with. You are fading the previous one you were born with in order to get lighter. And basically, when you bleach, they have chemical substance, incorporated in a bleaching cream that eventually are hazardous to your skin. So this bleaching, it causes skin cancer, basically. But when we talk about skin lightening, that is where you look at hyperpigmentation and trying to even tone your skin, trying to fade some spots to blend with the particular skin tone that you have. Okay. Right? So bleaching is using chemical substance. There are lots of ingredients that have been banned, that you cannot use while you are, making such cream. So when you bleach, you are open to skin cancer. That is where you hear people have kidney failure due to
bleaching.
Yes. Okay, they're removing the first layer of the skin.
These ingredients penetrate into our bodies, our bloodstreams. And they are very dangerous to the body. That's why you hear a lot of people, they say, oh, this person had kidney. Maybe if you look at it very well, the kind of products that they use. For instance, you're not supposed to use mercury on your skin care product. You're not supposed to use
hair, they'll put inside body.
Yeah, you're not supposed to use hydroquinone,
Right.
Yes, these things, they cause skin cancer, they cause kidney failure. Wow. So when you bleach, just know that you are open.
That means all of these things, every time you go to buy a product, you should go to read all of the
Yes, you should be able to read what the product ingredients. Then
natural remedy.
There are some people that don't call it natural brightening. They will not write whether it's mercury or hydroquinone that is natural.
That's because in this part of the world, we don't really look into this thing.
But are there natural brightening products?
Yes.
E.g.
Are they hazardous to the skin too?
No.
Natural.
They are actually natural brightening products. Vitamin C is a natural brightening product.
I had turmeric.
Yeah, turmeric too is a natural brightening. Lemon too is a natural brightening product.
Carrots.
Yeah, these things, they help you brighten your skin. This doesn't just happen 3 days whitening.
Okay.
Organics, right?
You know,
Organic
they take time. The more you use them, they take time to work. Before you know what is happening, you get to see that your skin is getting brighter.
internally and externally.
Yeah.
Just externally.
Externally, vitamin C too can be taken. You know, you can take vitamin C. You can also use vitamin C in your serum. When we produce serums, we use vitamin C to produce. So basically, it can be taken and it can be topical.
Another question I also want to ask: are skin diseases hereditary?
Yes, they have some skin diseases that are hereditary.
Okay.
There are over 40 of them that are hereditary, but I'm not going to mention everything. However, we have aging syndrome, like aging syndrome, premature aging syndrome. When we talk about this premature aging syndrome, this, of course, this affects your skin. It means wrinkles, you know, getting aged in time. These are still part of, you know, the skin hereditary issues. We have you heard of albino before? Albinism. You know, these guys are, most of them, these are part of skin hereditary diseases that, you know, come. Cowden syndrome.
Okay.
These are part of hereditary, you know.
Okay. Basic tips for every day to maintain a good skin. What would you say?
Okay, basic tips to maintain a good skin. Eat healthy.
Okay.
Drink lots of water.
Okay.
Your products, what is incorporated in your products.
That's after you found out your skin type.
Yes, that's after you found out your skin
So
type.
how do we get to find out our skin type?
If you're a dry skin person, you just know that you begin to see some flaky, your skin is flaky in nature. If you're an oily skin person, you get to know that, okay, you have lots of oil in your skin. A normal skin person is in between a sensitive skin and a dry skin. Sensitive skin are those who, any little thing you see, they have irritants. Maybe red, whatever they use, you see their body becomes red, or they get some patches or something.
Yeah.
You
Or they
just
get
or
allergic
start
reactions.
itching.
Yes,
Yeah, they itch and, you know, majorly.
So, okay. Can the diet, also the diet that we take, does it also affect the skin and the thing?
Yes, when you eat vegetables, when you eat fruits, proteins, this helps your skin glow from inside out. I mean, you love yourself more.
I think the issue people have is the fact that they want to become somebody else.
Yeah.
You understand?
True.
Sometimes you're not accepting the skin that you're in. All of us can be like selling, like the face is yellow and fine like this. Some people have to have the melanin popping skin. Some people have to
course.
have the combination skin. The moment you find out your skin, especially when you realize that you're not 16 or 17 anymore, there are different things that affect the skin, which we now have to pay attention to. So you don't just pack different products and put on your skin. It now takes time, it now takes effort for you to actually realize what works for you. And the question I want to ask now is, so is it an expensive venture? Because I know some people that spend up to 200K per month for their skin care in Lagos and in America. So my question is, I'm saying 200K now, maybe you that are watching me, maybe it's 500K you spend. Some don't even relate because it's baby pears oil. So, but why is it so expensive these days? Especially the fact with the influx of everybody doing organic creams.
Yeah.
Why is it so expensive these days for skincare?
Skincare is not a joke, really, especially when it has to do with buying ingredients, buying the right ingredients. It takes a whole lot of money to start up a skincare business.
Right.
So when you start up a skincare business, you know that
I
you're going
understand,
into.
right.
So when you hear people tell you they spend up to 200K, probably multiple products that they buy.
For this flesh that we are
this
going to
flesh,
leave behind.
Because you cannot use,
My
there's
God.
you can't use some body creams for face cream. There are some things that cannot be, you know, incorporated in the face cream that is incorporated in the body cream. So when you buy face cream, it's different. When you buy your normal body cream, it's different. So when you accumulate these
The night cream.
yeah, you use night oil, all this glow oil.
There's glow oil.
Yeah.
There's moisturizer.
Yes.
With that way,
There's body lotion. There's skin repair.
Yes, so, and there's no cool wash.
okay, knuckle wash. Okay, okay.
No, but seriously, it can, but people can. I just wanted you to talk to people that don't have the 200K money for budget for skin. What's the basic skincare routine you can actually use that? It's affordable.
Take vitamin C.
Right.
Vitamin C. Yeah, take vitamin C. Vitamin C is a fantastic skin lightener. Very good for the skin. Take lots of vitamin C. You take their other vitamins. Vitamin E too, you know, helps. That's like an antioxidant, right? You eat fruits.
Okay, because I know that some persons watching now, the way vitamin C, okay, morning vitamin C, in the afternoon vitamin C.
Is it not sometimes not too much?
Should it be a moderation or something?
Yeah. There are actually some vitamin C's that are higher than some. In grams.
Okay, in grams. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
milligrams and all that.
Okay.
So basically, they have 500 mg, they have 1,000 mg. You are not allowed to take overdose, whether you feel it is vitamin C or not.
Okay.
Basically, we have...
Please just take those small orange ones that's like...
You know, those ones that one would take and one would look like...
If you're in Nigeria, you understand.
Yes. Those of us in Nigeria.
Just straight to your mouth.
My concern is this. I know that we're in a society where we promote natural things. So now that you're mentioning vitamin C, it's the packaged ones, right? Because I know that to preserve those vitamins, there might be other chemicals, preservatives in them. So for over time, I've observed that anything natural, like you get vitamin C from fruits.
Yeah.
So I would have thought that you would say that vitamins from fruits are
Also
quite
from fruits,
better.
yes.
Yeah, but when you say vitamin C, is it the tablet you mean? And because
The tablet, you could also take fruits. Orange is a very good factor of vitamin C. So they're tablets too, like I said, but they're in grams. Those ones you're not allowed to take overdose.
Okay. So,
And there's pawpaw. They call it
goodness.
papaya. Because the papaya cream. Hey, you people don't do anything. There's carrots. I've done carrot oil before.
wow.
And
It's very good bright. In fact, when I used it, I was yellow like this. I had to calm down. I had to douse it with... I'm not joking. I had to douse with coconut oil. I mean, what I'm saying doesn't make sense to you.
Yes, it does.
Yes.
It does.
Somebody taught my mom has people that does kind of things. So I was interested. Carrot oil, turmeric oil. They are very brightening, natural products, and you can find out how to make them by yourself.
By yourself, yeah.
If it's too brightening for you, mix it with coconut oil or the other things that are kind of like
Blend
those are
it.
rich in antioxidants. They balance your pH and everything.
No, but
So
when
me
we're
myself,
blacky like this, the one that can make
like
us
for
shine.
matza.
Like, you know,
I'm proud of my skin.
we don't want
so
to use,
we don't want to get
I don't want to get maybe a bit fairer, but just want to be black and shiny. What would you recommend natural remedy?
Natural remedy. Shea butter is a
Right.
fantastic. Yeah, shea butter, yeah.
More,
No,
it darkens the skin the
really?
more.
It's not the real
Maybe
shea
you bought,
butter.
maybe
I
you
don't
bought
treat it once.
maybe
The one that has
the
petroleum
original one.
inside.
Okay.
Shea butter, the
Shea butter, the best shea butter I think is from Ghana.
Okay.
They have like the best.
Just before, one other thing I also ask, how do you, the skin rashes and all that, what's the best way to
Acne.
acne and all, anything at all?
Acne.
All the pink, some persons have PhD in having pimples and all this. It's not, Well, it just naturally, when it happens, how do we get to handle that?
Okay, there are actually different types of acne. For you to treat a particular acne, you need to know the kind of acne that you have.
Okay.
We have blackheads, we have whiteheads.
So what's the difference between the blackhead and the whitehead?
The blackheads are those tiny, they have black dots.
Okay.
And when you see your face, while the whiteheads are those ones that they still have white dots. When you press them, they come out with pus, like that. So you need to know exactly the kind of acne that you're treating, first of all. So when you're treating acne, essential oils, carrier oils that can help you treat these things. We have tea tree oil.
Okay.
Yeah, we have peppermint, oil. These are things that can help you. Salicylic acid, like I said too, is a very good BHA, right, to help you treat acne. So you can use activated charcoal. That works fantastic.
Yeah.
For
I had to put in mud scrubs.
yeah, scrubs,
And
soaps.
soaps, yes.
Yes, so you can incorporate them in your soap, in
No,
your
our black
scrub.
soap.
Yeah, so
Our black soap.
Native soap.
Our black soaps are soaps that we always used to. Anytime you hear the black soap, everybody's like, yes, you can relate. Because if you are here in Nigeria, you can always relate with the black soap.
But there's some black soap that made me feral.
Wow.
From my mother's, what am I calling my mommy? My mommy. Black
She's
soap.
gonna,
Like,
I know she'll be smiling
there's
now.
some that will make you really, really, like your skin will be popping. And if you're, I don't know what fruits or what herbs they put in there, sometimes they really get so, they can make you really lighten up.
Okay.
yeah, when you make black soap, they incorporate a lot of things, and depending on the kind of black soap you use, because we have the Nigerian black soap and the Ghana black soap.
Okay. So on that note, we want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much, Selena.
Please, me and you will talk right after.
I know everybody, plenty of people are going to be like wondering, okay, but don't worry.
Celine.
Thank you for coming, and we are so grateful. We've learned a lot, and for me, I've also learned a lot too. So I know that my melanin popping is popping to another level. So on that, we're going to be going on a short break, and we'll be popping some other things, seeing how far our skins are going. We're going to short break, and we'll right back. The show continues.